Hi everyone, I'm up early this morning for a hike and I thought it's been a while since I've done any videos, so I decided to do a bit of a channel update and give you an idea of what's coming up for 2022.
To start with, I've got some travel related videos from a recent trip to Thailand. I visited some amazing waterfalls and beaches which were really quiet due to the pandemic. In terms of Aikido, I've got some tutorials with Sensei Paul Lowen, and I've also got a couple of videos exploring some new ideas with the Jo. With regards to my search for katanas to use for sparring, well, I finally got some, and I plan to post that footage as well as a review of the swords themselves. I also plan to film some videos of the cannon bow and mace, and look at the relationship between them and other weapons. So, plenty in store for the next few months. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. To finish with, I'd just like to thank all subscribers for your continued support. I really appreciate it. I'm just about to hit 2,000 subs, which is much more than I expected when I first started the channel 6 years ago. Anyway, that just about wraps it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you also enjoy these amazing views.